Okay. Arrange the skirt and then remove the shoes and then put it there. There, oh. Oh, di ba? You cannot, ano ma'am, you should, what should I say? Wait ma'am. Actually, there's a strap. If you don't want the strap, you can, you can remove the strap. You can just do like this, oh. If you want, ma'am, ha? But if you want to, use the strap, you can do like that only.
Parang hindi ba babagsak na
Naka, siya, ma'am, naka-criss-cross sa likod. So, hihigpitan to the highest level. Yung tipong nagbabayolate na siya.
Nagbabayad.
Charing lang, ma'am, ha? Charing lang. Oh, very nice. The color is nice. Mas lalo kang pumuti dyan. Ayan, ma'am, medyo maluwag pa rin yung kanyang Can you adjust the sleeves a little bit? Yeah. Yes, at the back of it. At the back, yes. Just little lang, not too much. Yung nakaka-remove. Kasi paapam-apam pa kayo eh. Wala kasi kung mga gusto nila apam eh. Kaya nagtatry ako, ma'am. I'm trying my best. Kahit English barok ako, sis. Go lang. Megan, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yan, ganito, boss.
Di ba English?
How about this?
Ay! Eh.
Uy.
Eh.
Okay na rin, ito lang.
Okay.
Diyan ba?
Yeah.
Sa ano dito. Nasa baba siya dito. Ano ba dito?
Pwede kang mag-girdle dyan, sis. You can wear girdle like this. Oh, look at me. Oh. Ay! Diba? Para perfect ang body. Para kang pang enchanted ang peg mo dyan. Enchanted Kingdom ng Laguna.
Ang ano mo to, ma'am?
Awards night.
Wala, konti lang lang.
Kondo.
Dadagdagan lang.
Pants, may pants na pants.